Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. The Financial Express editorial Musk criticized both wrong about free speech on X alone. Musk is in a free speech fight over his decision to demonetize the content of some far-right Make America Great Again MAGA criticized who disagreed with his immigration views on his social media platform X. What is most remarkable about the argument is that both sides fail to acknowledge the simple truth how much how speech and that free or otherwise works on social media. It's worth taking a moment to clarify what free speech means in the context of those platforms. The most fundamental fact about speech on social media is that it takes two to tango, the user and the platform. You described you the user produce the content commonly described in the industry as UGC for user generated content. The platform takes that content and using its algorithm sends it out to other user, your audience. Both actors are essential and both are necessarily working in tandem. Nothing would be said on social media without the user to produce content. No one would know what you said without the platform to publish the content. Hence, every act on a platform combines your speech with the platform's choice of what to distribute. As a matter of Black letter First Amendment constitutional law, I am in this communal exercising my free speech rights and so is Bloomberg. That means the government could not censor this column without violating my First Amendment rights and Bloomberg's. Similarly, the government could not censor your speech on social media. The platform's First Amendment right to curate and publish your content was established at last June by the Supreme Court in the landmark Modi Net Choice case. NOH NOAH Fieldman Bloomberg show. When the MAGA folks claim that X has violated their free speech rights by taking away their ability to monetize their content, they aren't using the concept of free speech in a constitutionally accurate way. They doesn't have a constitutional right to free speech that they can exercise against Marx or X. The platform can choose to de-platform them, and they couldn't invoke the First Amendment to get back on the platform. Indeed, if the government tried to say that X had to re-platform them, that effort would violate X's First Amendment rights. The MAGA users can, can plausibly say to Musk that by taking about away their ability to monetize their content, he is violating violating a non-legally binding commitment they made to allow user to express any point of view on it. The platform with censorship to the extent that Marx promised that sort of non-legal, non-constitutional free speech on X. He's broken the rules. Must, for his part, has no leg to stand on when he says that the First Amendment's protection is for free speech, not paid speech. Abs- if X were the government, which it is, it isn't, and the First Amendment applied to it, which it doesn't, the government would not be allowed to punish some speakers by taking away an opportunity like monetization based on the speaker's point of view. Imposing such a punishment would count as an unconstitutional condition on free speech. Of course, Musk is not applying First Amendment free speech principles to his platform. If he wants to allow diverse viewpoints on X, that's fine, and it's his First Amendment right as the owner of X. But highly restrictive rules that would apply to him if he were the government. The upshot is that if we want to be honest and accurate, we should recognize that speech on social media means the First Amendment rights of users and the platform to speak jointly and without government censorship. Beyond that, platforms that want to allow for a wide range of perspectives should be clear about what rules they use to moderate speech. This is very influencing and accurate speech to by the Elon Musk and best R story in this article to verify any query to comment on.